Hello everyone, this is my fifth video related to relations and functions, chapter 1, class 12th. In this video, we are going to study composition of functions. I just want to tell you that if you have any doubt or query related to functions and relations, you can follow my previous videos. So here, composition of functions. The first question arises, what is the meaning of composition? Composition means combining more than one function. Combining doesn't mean adding of the function. Combining means finding the composition as per some rules. So in this video we are going to study how to find out the composition of functions. So let's begin with the definition. So what is the definition? That let f from a to b and g from b to c are the two functions, then the composition of f and g denoted by GOF. GOF is also known as GOF, is defined as the function GOF from a to c given by GOF of x equals to g of fx. This is the basic definition of composition of function for every x belongs to a. So here the main important thing is that f is a function from a to b, where a is the domain and b is codomain, and g is a function from b to c, where b is the domain and c is the codomain. Here you can see that codomain of f is same as domain of g. So this is very important to find out the composition, that the codomain of the first function should be equivalent to the domain of the second function. And the definition, GOF is defined as GOF of x equals to g of fx. So we can see this with the help of this diagram also. If f is a function from a to b and g is a function from b to c, then GOF is a function from a to c. This is your GOF, and it is written as defined as g of fx. So this we are going to see with the help of example. So just concentrate on the example. What is that example? Let f is a function from a to b and g is a function from b to c, defined as fx equals to 2x and gx equals to 3x minus 1. Then find GOF. Composition of function can be defined as two ways. The first is GOF and the second one is FOG. So in this question they have asked only GOF, but we are going to write both GOF and FOG for your consideration. So just concentrate. First of all, how to calculate GOF. As the definition of GOF of x, you know that it is g of fx. So just see, we are going to use that definition here. So GOF of x equals to g of fx. Its meaning is wherever x comes in gx function, you put fx. So 3x minus 1, in place of x you put fx, so you will get 3 of fx minus 1. And what is the value of fx? That is 2x. So this will become 3 into 2x minus 1, that is 6x minus 1 is your answer. So this is how you are going to calculate GOF of x. Now you see the second one, that is FOG of x. So FOG of x is f of gx. So wherever x comes in fx function, now you put gx. So fx function is 2x. So you put gx in place of x. So you will get 2 into gx. And what is the value of gx? 3x minus 1. So this will become 2 into 3x minus 1, that is 6x minus 2. So the first answer is 6x minus 1, that is GOF of x. And second answer is 6x minus 2, that is FOG of x. We can also see this with the help of arrow diagram. If f is a function from a to b and g is a function from b to c, a takes the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then as the definition of f is given, that is 2x, image of 1 will be 2, image of 2 will be 4, image of 3 will be 6, and image of 4 will be 8, because we are going to put the values 1, 2, 3, 4 in place of x here. So this will give us 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Now g is a function from b to c, and gx is defined as 3x minus 1. So now we are going to put the value of x 2, 4, 6, 8 here, because g is a function from b to c. So here the domain is b, and our domain is this b, and b contains the value 2, 4, 6, 8. So we are going to put 2 here. So 3 2s are 6, just see it clearly. If we put 2, then 3 2s are 6 minus 1, that is 5. It means image of 2 is 5. Image of 4, 4 3s are 12 minus 1, that is 11. And image of 6, that is 6 3s are 18 minus 1, that is 17. Likewise, we can get the image. So now we can see it with the help of this definition, that is GOF of x equals to 6x minus 1. As you know that GOF is a function from a to c. So domain is a. It means x will take the value 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we put the value 1, 2, 3, 4 in this definition, then the result will be, just see, then the result will be 1. If we put 1 here, then 6 into 1 minus 1, that will give us 1. So it means 1 image of 1 is 5. Now you put 2, then 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12 minus 1, that is 11. So image of 2 is 11. Now the third one, that is 3, 6 3s are 18 minus 1, that is 17. So image of 3 will be 17. So we will get the similar result. Now we are going to see another example, that is the part of your exercise also. Find GOF and FOG if fx is given 8x cube and gx is given x to power 1 by 3. So if we are calculating GOF of x, then according to the definition, it will become g of fx. It means wherever x is there in g function, you put fx. So fx, if we put fx here, then what will happen? That fx is 8x cube. So 8x cube power 8x cube power 1 by 3. So this will give us the result cube root of 8x cube, that is 2x. Okay. So now we are going to see FOG of x. FOG of x, you just see that FOG of x is f of gx. It means wherever x is there in f, you put gx. So f function is 8x cube and gx is x to power 1 by 3. So if we put x power 1 by 3 in place of x here, we will get, just see, we will get 8x to power 1 by 3 power 3. So the result will be 8x. So this is how we will get 2x as well as 8x. Now the next example, if f is a function from 1 to 3 to abc, domain is 1 to 3 and codomain is abc, and g is a function from abc to xyz, defined as f1 is a, f2 is b, and f3 is c. Similarly, GA is x, GB is y, and GC is z. Then find out GOF. As GOF is a function from this 1, 2, 3 to x, y, z. Therefore, we are going to take the value 1, 2, 3 for GOF function. So, GOF of 1 will be G of f1. And what is the value of f1? A. So, G of a, that will give us result. G of a is x. So the result is x. Now you see the second result, G of f2, that is G of f2. The value of f2 is b. Okay. So GB and GB is y. So the result is y. Now the third one, that is G of f3, then G of f3, And what is the value of F3? C. So GC is nothing but Z. So the result is Z. So now we are going to see few theorems. So the first theorem is, show that if f is a function from a to b and g is a function from b to c are 1 1, then GOF is also 1 1. As you know the definition of 1 1, that fx1 equals to fx2 implies that x1 equals to x2. Just remember this definition, and now you just pay attention on here, that as we have to prove it for GOF function, so we have to show GOF of x1 equals to GOF of x2 implies that x1 equals to x2. So our condition is GOF of x1 equals to GOF of x2. According to the definition of composition of function, we can write it g of fx1 equals to g of fx2. As you know here, just pay attention, if fx1 equals to fx2, f is 1 1, then whatever is inside here, that becomes equal, yani x1 equals to x2. So here as it is given that g is a 1 1 function, so inside value is fx1 equals to fx2, so this will also become equal, fx1 equals to fx2. Why? Because g is given 1 1. Now as f is 1 1, so what will happen? Whatever is inside here, that is x1 and x2, they will become equal because f is also given 1 1. So our condition was GOF of x1 equals to GOF of x2, and our result is x1 equals to x2. So GOF is 1 1 function. Okay. Now the last theorem, that is, if f from a to b and g from b to c are onto, then show that GOF from a to c is also onto. You know the definition of onto functions. For onto functions, if we want to prove that GOF is onto function, then for every value that is existing in C, there should exist a pre-image in A. This is what we are going to show. So as it is given to us that f and g both are onto function. So f is a function from a to b and g is a function from b to c. So we are going to, as f is onto, we will choose some element in b that we have chosen, suppose y, then there exists an element x in a such that fx equals to y. Okay. Now g is also onto, so if we take any element z in C, there exists an element y in B such that gy equals to z. So we are going to use both the conditions to prove GOF is onto. So GOF of x equals to g of fx. Now fx is given y, so we will put gy, and what is gy? That is z. So GOF of x equals to z, and z is an element from C and x is an element from A. So GOF is a function from A to C. Okay. So GOF is also onto. So you have seen that if f or g both are 1 1 and onto, then their composition is also 1 1 and onto. So I hope you understood it. So if you have any query, any question, so you can post it to me. Thank you so very much.